Okay, hold up.
Is it bound up?
Okay, mine is now hooked directly to the receiver. So you can pull with both.
Peacocks scare me because of their feathers. They give me dream haunts. I sure wish I had a bagel right now. Pineapple steak. I eat those on Sundays. No mama's way. Dang it, don't you just wish you would have fell? I know I did. Well, he didn't. So here's another video from my archive. Hopefully you don't break the winch line because now you're getting fat.
Significantly steeper than the pictures.
If we can get trucks side by side, you winch one up till the end of the winch and then you run the other one out. So it's always under pressure.
It's down there. We're gonna need 2 or 3.
You think so?
Yeah.
It's
It's a super loop.
Oh, yeah. There's the other fat.
I think so.
Yeah, we're gonna need them
So it's a
tied
pretty
together.
straight shot
From right in front of my Land Cruiser.
I was thinking maybe I'd go over here so that they are.
I was thinking
Probably not more than like 20 feet though.
You pull one up and then switch to the other one.
Straight to the left a little bit, over to the edge.
Hey, I'm gonna put
Four low, locked in the hubs, and lock both diffs, just so that it has more resistance.
I didn't lock the diffs, but mine is in 4 low locked.
It's struggling pretty hard now. Should we hook the other one up?
I think you need to go up another, looks like 10 to 15 feet to hook yours up.
Well, we don't have to go all the way. We could hook it up to one of the junctions.
I know, I mean, that's the first junction.
My winch cable's as long as yours is, and yours is half in. So it should go clear down to like
20 feet that
like
way.
the red. But if you straighten it out, it'll go all the way over. It'll pull over. I mean, it is still pulling, but your winch is struggling hard. Because yours is only a 10, mine's a 12.
Mine's bigger than yours.
I can try keep going, it's just putting a lot of stress. Don't go anywhere near the winch line.
You guys go around the out.
It's got a lot of weight on it.
The one behind it.
You kind of need to pull it over that way, away from it. Or move that stuff. That works too.
Good thing he's an animal.
Okay.
How
Now
close?
go up another 10 feet or so yours will reach. Like I said.
Well, there's a junction there too.
That's the one that I meant. And you're about 10 feet away.
It's 20 feet this way from you.
Ben, just pull up another 10 feet. Listen to the people that are closest and see it.
It would have been fine to go to this one. Doesn't matter. might need both of them when it gets to that steep part. So maybe unhook it, but leave it down there, because then we could run it down farther and hook it up if we need to.
Okay, let pressure off of yours then.
Should put the brakes on it.
Okay, never mind. It's pitched. We'll just have to get it up on the flatter spot.
Okay.
I'm gonna go down. Okay, go ahead.
Hold on, there's a log. You want to get that out of the way?
That's right.
Okay. Those rear tires aren't... Okay, they're turning.
Okay, hold on right there, Ben. It's stable if we want to rehook the other one right now. Let yours down a little. Right. Okay, now it should be good. Let yours back out. Okay, right there. Just leave it there for a second so I can unhook this one and hook it back up. Oh my gosh. You weren't filming that?
No! Sorry, missed it.
Hopefully Lunchbox got it.
You all right, man?
Do it again so we get it on film. Does mine have another 5 feet?
No, it doesn't.
Okay. Pull up with yours.
I can pull with mine.
Yep, pull with yours. Okay, hold on. Donnie, can you turn that wheel?
Yeah, but everything's busted up on this driver's side.
I know. It's just the passenger side that it moves.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
With which one?
Yours.
I'm gonna need something to hang on to. Ooh, this is steep.
Just make sure you get out of the way fast with this brake.
Yep.
Go a little closer to mine. Okay, now pick up yours. Pull it over this rock.
A little bit and run her line straight to it.
Straight, there's a huge thing of rocks right here.
Yeah, but we can pull it around with yours, and then with Mom, pull it straight up in between ours onto the flat spot without moving ours.
Good. We can snatch block over here too.
Yeah, we can do that off of mine if we need to.
We should leave yours hooked up and
You wanna
re-spool his.
Unhook yours and back it up and just point it, go back about 10 feet, but point it so the nose is straight towards this opening.
I'll go give her a hand.
I'm gonna let mine out so we can unhook it.
Okay.
We're gonna have to re-spool his.
I think it'll have enough. Once it gets up to that spot, we can just use mom's and scoot it all the way up there. Once it gets over that. Keep going. Now hold the brake.
More wanders, so we go around this log. Pull it.
I'm watching. She's got a lot of room. There's 2.5 feet or so.
Toward in the back, it's easier to clean.
Stinky dog.
Don't rub on me.
I was surprised.
Caleb says, no sense everybody's suffering. Both dogs will ride with you.
Nope. Nope. That's disgusting.
Okay, so how'd it go for you guys? A little easier than you thought?
Yeah, I mean, it was pretty impressive.
That was a steep. I was amazed that there's not more damage than there is.
Yeah. Yeah, it went way smoother than I thought it would. Especially that steep part. I thought that was going to be way too much, but it was way faster than I thought it would be.
Sweet.
And it was the same day. Everybody else was 2 weeks away, so that was awesome.
Yeah, we were
Wanted
sitting
to
up
just
here
leave it up here for 2 weeks.
Yeah, no kidding. As it's about to storm for a whole week.
Well, we're glad we were able to help. So, yeah, save our number.
Yeah.
If you guys ever go adventuring, we go all over the place.
Buy some merch.
Yeah. And our website is bentoffroad.com. We do have t-shirts.
Yep.
We've got stickers and stuff like that. And we'll
And
have
there's
hats
a link
and
to
hoodies
it off
soon.
of the YouTube channel too.
Yeah.
You can just click on.
So there's also a link on our website for Yankum ropes. That's the ropes we use now, and they're really solid. They're really good quality
I have
product.
a Yankee rope.
Yeah.
It's good.
They're awesome.
Yeah. Awesome. Well, thank you guys.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. Appreciate you.
Thanks for your time.
You guys
Good
enjoy
one.
and let us know if you need anything else.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks again.
Yeah. And if you ever if something like this happens again, we can transport these to shops or your home and stuff like that too. So
Okay.
just so you know. Okay. We'll get out of your hair.